Welcome to the very first episode of Interior Essentials, a brand new journey into the world of design and lifestyle. Today, we kick off with our stories of innovation, elegance, and creativity. From Marfil Tiles, creating timeless surfaces, to Meraki Group of Industries, redefining interiors with passion. From Dynamic Living, your one-stop for soft furnishing. And Prato, the flagship of Greenhouse Enterprise, creating bespoke kitchens. Together, they are not just shaping the interiors, they are shaping the way we live, the way we feel, the way we call a space home. So let's begin this journey, because design starts here at Interior Essentials. Architecture is not just a market to be served, but a language to be spoken. Marfil Tiles was born in Morbi, inspired by global design. And today, it is India's largest maker of full-body vitrified tile, strong, precise, and timeless. Marfil tiles come in many formats, from 600 into 600 mm to 800 into 3000 mm, in 9 mm and 15 mm thickness, giving architects and designers a wide canvas of possibilities. Here's a fun fact: a full-body vitrified tile doesn't just look strong, it stays strong. Even if you cut it, the design runs through its entire body. That's why it's lasts for decades. Every surface they create is a canvas. It could be the foundation of a home, the skin of facade, or the detail that gives a space its soul. At Marfil, they don't just make tiles, they create a material language, one that is versatile, robust, and ready for the future. Because architecture is not about walls and floors, it's about shaping culture. And they are here not just as a manufacturer, but as a partner in creative journey. Marfil Tiles, where surface inspire and ideas endure. Every brand has a story. For Meraki Group of Industries, this story began in December 2015. Meraki, a Greek word, it means creating with soul, passion, and love. And that's what they exactly do. From a small beginning to a trusted leader in interior solutions, they have grown with one clear vision: to design with creativity, to build with durability, and to serve with heart. Their product range, huge. PVC laminates, acrylic and glass laminates, edge band tapes, WPC deck flooring, baffle ceiling, interior and exterior louvers, HDPC panels, soft panels, and much more. You name it, they have it. Here's a fun fact: PVC laminates are waterproof, termite-proof, and fire retardant. That's why they are trusted for both homes and offices. Every innovation at Meraki is built on resilience. Every expansion comes with lesson learned. Every new product reflects their passion to keep innovating. Today, Meraki is more than a brand. It's one-stop destination for interiors, a partner for every designer, a solution for every space. Meraki Group of Industries, redefining interior solutions with soul, with passion, with innovation. Your one-stop solution for elegant interiors. At Dynamic Living, they believe in moving forward, conquering new horizon of success. Since 1996, their journey has been about passion, trust, and quality. Founded by Ardhendu Majumdar, started small, today a name trusted in interiors. Their motto: to enhance lifestyles with comfort, with aesthetics, with innovation. They take pride in their in-house facilities, from selection to stitching, from design to on-site installation. No shortcuts, only top-notch workmanship. Their team is skilled, well-trained, always ready to understand your needs, to suggest the best, to deliver with perfection. Their products, endless choices: curtains, sofa fabric, blinds and motorized blinds, flooring, carpets and rugs, leather, mattresses, bed linen, wallpaper, fenesta, metal ceiling, outdoor furniture, and articraft. Here's a fact: Motorized blinds not only add luxury but also save energy, a smart way to live beautifully. At Dynamic Living, they don't just decorate spaces, they transform them with expertise, with dedication, with soul. Preto, the flagship store of Greenhouse Enterprise, a trusted name in kitchens and lifestyle design for over 20 years. Greenhouse was one of the first to bring lifestyle kitchens to Indian homes. With Preto, they take that vision forward. Crafted for excellence, built for modern living, Preto specializes in bespoke modular kitchens. Innovative, stylish, functional. They don't just make kitchens, they create experiences, spaces that are social, where you cook, host friends, share conversations, and live moments together. Their process? Simple. Step 1, counseling. They listen to you, your habits, your needs, your dreams, because every kitchen is personal. Step 2, designing. Their experts study your space. They plan dimensions, layouts, and arrangements. Designs that add value to your home and to your lifestyle. Step 3, execution. From materials to finishes, from cabinet fittings to chimneys, from built-in units to fine details. They assemble everything on site perfectly, seamlessly. So all you remember is the joy of a beautiful new kitchen. At Preto, engineering meets creativity, function meets style, and every kitchen becomes the heart of the home. Preto, where design and lifestyle come together. This was Interior Essential, where vision meets craftsmanship and interiors become experiences. From tiles to laminates, from furnishing to kitchen, the essential of design are all around us. Thank you for joining us. For more such content, stay tuned and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Art with Habir.